In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a business in a high demand service offering what people need and make yourself about $200 to $300 per day doing this in a high demand service. And if this sounds good to you, well, you want to sit back, relax, and stick around and watch this whole video, because I'm going to get into it and get the details to you right now as we go. First of all, for those of you that are new to my videos or new to my channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And since this is your first time here to my videos, what you should do is reach down there right below your video right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside the subscribe button, so that you get notified when I upload new videos and you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded, so you can come and take advantage of them right away. Alrighty, guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this with that out of the way. What we want to do is we're going to come over here to one of my favorite websites right here. It's called Fiverr. You see it right here in the address bar. It's Fiverr.com, and guys, it's free to sign up on this site. If you don't have an account, you just click right up here where it says join, and it'll come up, and you can use your Facebook account, your Google account, even your Apple ID account, and or you can create a local account right here on Fiverr. Now, when you do that, they will send you, if you do a local account, they will send you a email confirmation, so make sure you check that out and get yourself validated and verified on Fiverr. And then you want to come back and get logged in to Fiverr. For example, to show you what we're going to do is I'm going to type in some keywords here. I'm going to say targeted website traffic, right? This is something that everybody needs, guys. Every business owner, every online business owner needs website traffic, right? So if we type that into the search engine, you can see that it brings up right here target website traffic and all the gigs that are involved here and people that are offering this service. And this is the type of service that you're going to set up an account with here on Fiverr and offer this service to people and make yourself a tidy sum of money doing this, because it's a high in demand service all the time, every day of the week of every year, all the time. All right, so you can see right here is when you get here, you can see a lot of people are offering this service right here. There's just some starting at 25, 10, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10 seems to be the most, and then so on and so forth. So a lot of people are offering this service here, and they are obviously, you can tell there's enough room for everybody here, guys, because everybody needs website traffic. And you can see that these people are all making money with this particular service here. So what you want to do is when you get logged in, you want to click on Become a Seller right up here, guys. And when you click on Become a Seller, it'll bring you over, and then you click here and it'll walk you through. I'm not signed in, but once you're signed in, it'll walk you through about 5 or 6 pages to set up your gig for the targeted website service. Now, don't get excited. I can hear some of you now. You're thinking, well, I don't know, where am I going to get this targeted website? Well, guys, I've got you backed up here. Just stay with me. Keep watching the video and don't jump ahead here, because I'm going to show you how you can do this, and you don't even have to do any of the work. In which, incidentally, by the way, guys, this method is 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the entire world. Okay. Now, so for example, if we'll take a look at some of these. For example, let's pick on this one right here, or it doesn't matter. We'll just take the top one here. And if we click on it, you see that this person says, I will drive keyword targeted organic web traffic to promote your website or landing page. It's the same thing. Landing page is also known as a website. And you can see his basic package here, guys, is $25, and he'll 500 plus daily keyword targeted visitors with 3 keywords for 30 days. So $25 there. He has a standard package for $95, and he's got a premium package for $250 that he'll drive 5,300 daily keyword targeted visitors for 30 days. And you can see right here, he's sold 48, well, 48 that we know of. That's 48 people that have left reviews. What about the ones that haven't left reviews? We can't see that, so it could be well into the hundreds, maybe thousands. And you can see right now that this particular person has 3 people waiting on him to drive traffic to their website. So you can see that the demand for this is high. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to create a gig yourself, just like this. So we'll use this one as an example since we're already logged into it. And what you want to do is you want to pattern your gig on Fiverr similar to what you see from someone that you like. Just pick any one of them, it doesn't matter, but do not copy it exactly. You just want to pattern yours after what you see right here. And then tell them what you'll offer and so on, and come down, tell a little bit about yourself here, just like this person has done. And then you can show your packages and what you'll do as well right here. The same as what you see over here. It's a little more detailed right here, guys. And then you want to make sure that when you do this, that you come clear to the bottom and make sure that you copy these related tags from the person or from one of these gigs. It doesn't matter. You want related tags like this that have to do with website traffic, because this ranks your gig on Fiverr up in the Google search engine. All right, so you want to be sure you have relevant tags or related tags like this attached to your gig, and you're allowed about 5, I believe, of them is, as you see right here, 5 tags on your Fiverr gig here. All right, so once you have your gig set up, all right, and let's say that you get an offer, you get a customer who, let's say you start yours at 25 or 10 or whatever you want. You just don't want to price yourself real high. You might start at 5 and go up to a standard of 25 and a premium of 60 or something like that, and offer your service of driving traffic just like these people are here for a certain price. So let's say you get an order for a basic one, and you're set your basic for like 25 here as an example. Okay, what happens is you get an order and you're going to drive 500 keyword targeted visitors for 30 days for this customer, and your customer is going to pay you $25 to do this. So you get this order. Now, how are you going to do this? And you're not even going to have to do any of the work, and you don't even have to know how to do the work for that matter. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this website right here, guys. It's called SEO Clerks. You see it right up here, and it's right up here in the address bar, SEOclerk.com. You see right here, guys. Now, if you'll notice that I did the same thing here on SEO Clerks here, I typed in their search engine right here, guys, targeted website traffic. You see this right here. Now the same thing here. You can join for free here on this site. Just join up here on this site for free and then get signed in. They'll probably send you the email confirmation. Check it out, get validated, come back, get signed in. And I typed in targeted website traffic here, and you can see that it comes up with all kinds of people here that's offering this service right here on SEO Clerk. Right, and you can see here, so on and so forth, all the way down. This guy send real quality targeted traffic for $5. If you scroll down, you can even find it like right here. Keyword real organic targeted U.S. high tier traffic for $1, guys. For example, you can see he's got 100% rating out of 22 reviews. This guy, and you can simply just come down like this guy right here. He's got a 100% rating right here, guys, with over 2,000 reviews. So you could hire him for $1 to drive the targeted traffic to your customer's website or landing page, and you just pay him. For example, you hired this guy here to do it for you for $1, and he'll drive that targeted traffic for you for your customer for $1. Your customer pays you the $25. Now, this is not saying what if he chose your standard or your premium package. I mean, just think about this. You can make a lot of money doing this, guys. But anyways, you just pocket the difference. You paid this guy here $1, for example. This guy right here would do it for $1. You see here. Basically, you'll just pocket the difference. So you made $24 just on that one deal on basic. Now let's see, if you get it on standard, you'd make $94. If you had a premium of $250, just like this one, you'll make $249 just in that one order. Like you see, this guy's got 3 orders in the queue waiting on him right now here, guys. Guys, that is how you do that. Now, when you set up your gig on Fiverr, you want to create some thumbnails. You see, like this guy's got some pretty good thumbnails right here that he's created to help, drive traffic, get business on here on his gig. Which incidentally, guys, you can also do this same thing to drive targeted traffic to your Fiverr gig by going over to SEO Clerks and doing the same thing, and hire this person for $1 to drive a certain amount of traffic to your Fiverr gig. How about that? It's a 2-for-1 thing here, guys. Drive traffic to your Fiverr gig on how to, so that you can get orders really quick in your queue on Fiverr, so that you can drive traffic, so you and this guy can be working together, for example, hand and foot together over and over and over. He's helping you get traffic to your Fiverr gig, and so on and so forth. But now, what I wanted to tell you before I got off on that tangent, you want to create some thumbnails like you see right here, this guy has here, right? So what you want to do is you can come over here to Canva. You can create designs. Just for example, those are about the size of YouTube thumbnails. They're about 1280 by 720. So for example, you could just type in YouTube, and you'll come up with like YouTube thumbnail right here, and it creates it for you. And guys, you can design for free all kinds of thumbnails here. I mean, it's just got all kinds of templates that you can use for free, and then you can edit and create your thumbnails. Is all you need. Like this guy here, he's only got 2 or 3, as you see here, thumbnails that he's created on this, and it's working really well for him. As you see right here, he's got 48 reviews with 5-star rating, guys, and 3 orders are waiting on him in his queue right now. So guys, that is how you do that. That's the method I had for you today. You can help people that with a high in-demand service that's needed, and you can do this and even use this for your own purpose in bringing customers to your Fiverr gig through SEO Clerks. Not only your customers, but yourself too, for your gig, and just begin to make lots of money selling the traffic service that's needed every single day of the year, guys, as you can see. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Click that notification bell. If you got any comments or questions about this video, just leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to see my #1 way that I make money online, my #1 recommended business, click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and see my #1 recommended business today. Alrighty, guys. Also, don't forget, I'm going to leave you with that. Don't forget to check those 2 other videos up here that are on my channel, and see those on how to make money as well. And I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys have a great day today. Bye bye now.